It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know.
It starts.
Hello, it's me, Nathan Video Doty, with my new channel. Our first video is Epic Rap Battles History, Adolf Hitler versus Darth Vader 2. So, let me show my face first so you guys know what I really am. This is me. This is my background. It's going to change in a second, so. Okay, so first let me open up the video. So, I'm getting the video, so just be patient. I'm getting straight off of YouTube, so the video quality is not going to be fast. Computer. So, there's that. Sorry I made so much of a rumble trying to. Okay. There's going to be a box right beside me. Just let me get it right beside me. And it's just YouTube. And its channel is called ERB, and there's the behind the scenes ERB 2. So check that out. It's made by Nice Peter. If you know him, you probably don't literally know him. You probably know his channel. Here it is. So let's start the video. If you want to watch the full video, go to the link right in the description. I'm just gonna get to this Brad part. Remember, this is number 2. If you haven't seen number 1, then just go back to the channel.
Now stand up and grind. I only thought you out so I could beat your ass a second time. Roar like Chewbacca, the voice of Mufasa. I'm the leader of your Lincoln Luftwaffe. I strike back hard against a Nazi. Brain toss your ass in the air. Yahtzee. Ask Indiana Jones who the fuck I am. I spit sick shit so low-kiss I break your concentration camp. I'm a certified Sith Lord, you what? So suck on these. These robot nuts. I'm gonna enjoy watching you die, so let me do it in my food. You look stressed, Vader. You appear to be in pain. You need a vacation. Here, take a trip on my train. I mean, you leading an army of white men, disgraceful. Even your mic skills still aren't fully operational. You got wife that's pregnant and gave into the hate. Now you're 6'6" and black with can't get a date. Lightsaber. You need a lifesaver. Use some of your force to fix your fucking respirator. You think you're powerful with your fingerneck pinches? You couldn't even get your own son into the family business. Everything you do is an epic fail. Now stand at attention and sing fucking hair. What's wrong, Annie? Can't take anymore? Not surprising coming from the Empress whore.
That's the end of the video. I just showed you the whole video. Weird. That didn't show you the beginning. If you want to go to the video, just get to the link in the description. And I'm also gonna put the link right up there. It's gonna be right there. Just let me. Right there. I'm gonna keep that up there till the next video. Until the next video. Keep that up there till the next video. There's not gonna be any links. It's just showing you what it is. What it is. Okay. So what's next? Let me think. Oh wait, I don't need to think because it's on my script. Let me read my script. It's not called this. It's just my name for it. It's a motorcycle fail. It's actually pretty fucking beast. And I was just randomly doing this. It's a motorcycle fail. That's all you need to know. That's all you really need to know. So let's just say motorcycle fail. Remember, I'm a kid, so I'm not good at spelling. I don't know if I spell it right or not, but it doesn't matter. Here's that. Sorry, I made some noise doing that. Oh, I'm gonna put this on a notepaper, so let's just do this. Huh? I figured out something new. Put stuff on a notepaper. Who would have thought that? The link will be in the description. It's actually many fails into one video. It's got 38. It's been out for a couple of weeks actually. Today is the 18th. It's been out since January 5th, so you can do the math. So it's already got that many views. Okay, ready? Fail. These are motorcycle fails. That was the motorcycle fail. Sorry, I had to show a little bit extra. I showed a little bit too much. I showed 2 fails. There's a whole bunch of fails on this one, and it's published at January 5th, and it's already got 33,807. 387,162. Sorry. Now the next video is going to be pretty simple. Let me turn off the motorcycle file. Fail. Unless you feel like that from now on. Oh, and that's pretty much it for now, because, well, I'm not that good right now. It's my first video, so what do you think of my first video? Leave it in the comments. The question of the day. Oh wait, I didn't show you my friend's YouTube channel video. Let me show you that. Sorry, the link's just gonna be in the description anytime it comes out. So, see you later. Remember, it's my first video, so don't get mad. Oh, you want to know? I think I gave away the program I used for this, but I'm just gonna give it away for you again, just in case you haven't seen it. Read it. This is Manicam. Unless you're blind, Manicam. That's simple. Read it. You're blind. You're blind. Oh, and tell me, what are you eating?